Level 1 starts here in the proving grounds. Master these essential skills before you publish. Your quest for a flawless launch begins now. Prevention is always easier than recovery, and these protocols will save you from 95% of the problems that cause books to get blocked. Let's dive into the critical checkpoints. First, understand when to engage this checklist. Use it when publishing a new book, when making any modifications to existing books, and before submitting any updates to Amazon KDP. This isn't optional, this is your armor against blocks. Every single time you touch a book in your KDP account, you need to run through this checklist. One mistake, one overlooked detail, and you could find yourself locked out. Here's your first power up: proper content placement. Avoid the bonus content trap. Here's the rule: place all bonus materials, QR codes, and external links at the end of the book. Do not, under any circumstances, include references to bonuses, QR codes, or download links at the beginning. Amazon's algorithm flags this immediately. Why? Because bonus content that appears before a book's primary content is a high-risk trigger. Readers need to experience your main content first. Think about it from Amazon's perspective. They want customers to get what they paid for before you offer them extras. Put your bonuses at the back. Make your primary content shine first.